Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. DeepSeek has just released a highly specialized AI model. This DeepSeek Prover-V2 is an advanced model to solve and generate formal mathematical proofs in Lean 4 language. Lean 4 is a popular proof assistant. Unlike basic AI models that only provide informal explanations, this new model is capable of constructing step by step, machine checkable proofs for complex math problems. It does this by first breaking big theorems into smaller subproblems, solving them, and then stitching them together to form a complete proof, using both its own reasoning and feedback to improve over time. This approach allows the model to handle everything from basic textbook exercises to challenge competition level math questions. In this video, we are going to install it locally and we will try it out with few of the problems. I will be talking more about its use cases and who it should be using, but first let's get it installed, and for that I'm highly grateful to Master Compute for sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU or VM on a very affordable rate, you can find the link to their website in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% discount. This is my Ubuntu system and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. I'm starting by creating a virtual environment with Conda, and then I will proceed further with prereq installation. And now let's install the torch and transformers, the usual suspects. And while that gets installed, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. While it installs all the prerequisites, let's talk a bit more about the use cases of this model. This model is highly useful for mathematicians, educators, and researchers working in math, computer, and science, and also in AI. It can help automate the time-consuming task of writing formal proofs, making mathematics more accessible and verifiable. The model is available in two sizes. One is the 7 billion, which we are going to install locally. The other one is 671 billion, which you can, I would suggest, use it hosted on DeepSeek AI. Another cool thing is that this model is released along with Proven Bench, which is a new collection of math problem for testing and comparing theorem proving AI. Okay, so this is a quick overview of this model. Let's go back. Almost there. And now let me launch my Jupyter notebook. Okay, so now let's download the model. And the model is downloaded. Let's try it out. So this is a formal statement of the problem. Now, if you look at it, this is automating the process of proving a simple algebraic theorem in Lean 4 using this model. And we are simply doing a formal theorem proving. This formal statement is encoding a typical math Olympiad or high school algebraic problem. And the problem is that what is the positive difference between 120% of 30 and 130% of 20, and show that it is 10. Mathematically, this translates to the equation which I have given here. Now, the goal is to construct a formal, which is machine verifiable proof of the statement in this Lean 4 language. And that is what we are doing. So let's run this. And there you go, it has returned us the response. So if you check the response, it is very detailed and it is very analytical. So step by step, it has first understood the problem. It has broken it down as we saw it in its explanation, and then it solved it step by step separately, and then it combined it together, and there we have our Lean 4 statement, and then it also gave us the complete Lean 4 proof, and the answer is correct. So this is how you solve this algebraic one. For instance, let me check out a geometrical one. So I have just changed it with this geometrical, where I'm asking it something different by presenting it a rectangle area problem, asking the model to explain and formally prove that if the area is 48 and width is 6 and then the length is 8. So let's run this. I hope my formatting is right. It is. While it runs, let's check the VRAM consumption. So it is consuming over 14 gig of VRAM, which is okay, I guess, for a 7 billion specialized model. Okay, so let's wait for it to come back. There you go. It already has come back. Again, it is doing the detailed proof and analysis. And you see, the thinking is very controlled. And this is what I'm really impressed. And I believe this is going to be a huge breakthrough in terms of reasoning and chain of thought models. It is consuming less tokens, so the cost is low, latency is low, and the response time is quite improved. And you can see that the step-by-step abstract plan is also spot on. This is a Lean 4 proof sketch, and from there it has given us this verifiable theorem. You can easily verify it with your program in Lean 4, and the answer is spot on. Okay, finally, I'm also giving it this very hard one. Let's see how it performs with it. So in this one, I'm asking it to show that the difference of the squares of any two old primes is divisible by 8. It is a classic result in elementary number, by the way. So let's see how it goes. And you can also see that the time it consumes is quite less. I mean, few seconds, I would say. And I think I spoke too soon. It took around 30 seconds instead of few seconds. Anyway, so this is a detailed proof where you go, it is doing the analysis, key observation, it is sketching it. And then this is a detailed proof. Look at the equations and the way it is going. And then step by step, it is doing the abstract plan, Lean 4 half statements, and then complete Lean 4 plan. This is simply out of this world. And if you are using Lean 4, please also advise us in the comments, as I believe this is one of the best models I have seen in terms of theorem proving, and the answer is also correct as per various other models. Now, one interesting point here is this, that as I said earlier, that this model comes in two flavors, 7 billion and 671 billion parameters. This 671 billion one is trained on top of DeepSeek V3 base, whereas 7 billion is built upon DeepSeek Prover-V 1.5 base, and the context length is up to 32,000 tokens, which is quite decent, I would say, for the 7 billion parameter model. That's it. I will drop the link to it in video's description. You can check it out. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.